Hello and welcome to the Microsoft PowerPoint application course. In today's video we will be looking at the last set of topics on the formatting text and layout, and that will be showing you how to create headers and footers, how to insert slide numbers, and how to insert date and time to your presentation. So let's open our presentation for practice. So if you look at this, we have 4 slides, and if you look at each slides, below them there's no date, no header, no footer, no kind of information to indicate like slide number, although here you can see slide 1, 2, 3, 4, but on the pan itself you don't see those information. So basically we're going to show you how to add them. So you can stay on any slide you want, that's up to you. Then you go to insert menu. So under insert menu you go to text, and there you see header and footer, and you click on it. Now this will display this dialog box, and you can stay on the slide. Okay, and now you see the things we talk about, for example date and slide number and footer. So if I want to add a footer, so if you look at the preview, so the first one is the date, the second one is the footer I think, and the third one is the slide number. So let's see, if you click the footer, and then the dark spot tells you that it's the middle one. So let's say you type PowerTech-Computers, okay, and this will appear at the center at the bottom. And you can say I want to add a slide number. This shows you that the slide number will be here, and date, and the date will be there. Now you can choose a number of things. So for the date you can say automatic, which means anytime you open your slide it will automatically update the date and the time as long as you're connected to the internet. Another thing is if you want to change the language you can. We will leave all that for now. And here it says don't show on title slide, which means on the first slide, which is my title, I don't want that information. I just want it to be a normal plain slide with only the title. And we come back to the date. If you want your date to be fixed, you can just choose a fixed date, but let's choose the update automatic. So when you click this, so we don't want it to show on the title slide, so I will click it and I will say apply, or apply to all, depends on what you want. So if I say apply, come back, so you see that in my first slide I don't see any other information. If I go to my second slide, I see the date and time, I see the footer, and I see the slide 2. And so this is today's date, and it is currently 38 minutes past 4. And if I go to the next slide, the same thing, next slide, the same thing. And if we probably can wait a minute to see whether the time automatically changes, then maybe that will help. So I'm looking at this time changing because it's automatic. We can't wait for a new day because it's too long to wait for a day, but maybe 1 minute of change can help you understand. So our time here says 38, and this is still saying 38. So I will save while waiting, and basically this is how you can insert date and time. So now this changes, but you see this is not changing. So maybe when you open it again, if you close it and open it, then it will automatically change. But this is how you can add your footer. In this case there was no header, and you can also add your date, and you can also add your time and the slide number. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.